It's springtime. I know I do a lot of videos over at Kootenay Pass, but look at the highway. It's mandatory chain up. You think? Crawling up the highway here. Unfortunately, we're not going to make our unload time. We were supposed to be there before 2 o'clock. We have another hour and 10 minutes left, which means we'll be there at 2:18 right now according to the GPS, but it's going to be longer than that because, well, we're chained up and the roads are beautiful. I love these mountains. My dispatch isn't very happy with the place where I loaded. It took them 4 hours to load us. If only we had loaded a bit quicker, even an hour quicker, even if it had been so slow it would have taken 3 hours, we would have made it to the unload today, even with all the weather. But it took 4 hours to load us. Painful. Absolutely painful. Now, 2 of those hours I get paid. After 2 hours of waiting, I start getting paid by the hour. I hope they bill the place where I loaded. I'm not going to say who it is. Usually they're really good, really quick. But in situations like this, we've had some other problems with them before, so it is what it is. All the guys working there, the ones that I have to deal with, the forklift drivers, the people in the office, really nice people. They're really good. There's obviously something else that's going wrong there. So, it looked like he was in my lane. I swear it looked like he was in my lane. Might just be a depth perception thing. The truck's coming down to the chain up area. They just go, it's slick up there, keep the chains on the way down too. Very often we take the chains off at the top, but if it's that slippery, we'll keep the chains on going down. Holy smokes, my first time I see a snowplow. I've been up here for quite a few, let's say, probably about 45 minutes now, and this is the first time I've seen a snowplow. Oh, he's only got one set on. I put all the dualies have, all my drive wheels have chains on them. It only takes maybe 5 minutes longer to put on all of them. Oh, it looks like someone must have been spun out over here. Oh, there's another guy spun out over there. Let's see if we can cross over here. Someone spun out there, and another guy spun out over here. I wonder if he didn't put chains on, or if he only put one set on. Looks like he's working on his trailer. Maybe he's going to disconnect his trailer and bring up one trailer at a time. Okay, looks like we're clear. Oh, he came back to get his other trailer, so he's already brought up one trailer. He's bringing up his other trailer. Oh! I seen him earlier today. So he must have dropped the pup, towed just one trailer up, come back for this one, and now tow that one up. I guess that works. If you have chains on all four and still spinning, drop a trailer, lighten the weight a bit. Aggressive drivers. at the brake check, I'm expecting to see another trailer. Yeah, I saw him. Let me think. What time was it? Probably about 3 hours ago. So, strange you couldn't pull him up with all 4 chained up. Maybe he didn't have all 4 chained up. And obviously snowplow is going now, and maybe when he came up there was still no snowplow. Yeah, even the tow trucks are chaining up. Saw Scrap King, the guy that rolled me back right side up when I rolled over my trailers. He was putting chains on all 4 as well, all 4 duals. They charge, I think, $600 for a pull-up. $600 just to hook onto you and help you pull up to the top. But I guess if you're all jeweled up and still can't make it up, tow up is necessary. Yeah, it's March 27th for us here. March 27th, end of March. People were saying it was the last snowstorm. About a month ago they were saying, this is the last snowstorm for winter, and I just started laughing. Like, winter is not nearly done. We can get another snowstorm in April. Heck, we've had snowstorm on the connector in July before. See, he's crawling up. It's the last corner there, so I don't have to worry about catching up with him. We'll catch up with him at the brake check. Well, this is only going to be the second time I have kept chains on and to go down as well. If you don't know this highway very well, you don't know that I'm going to be pulling off here in just a couple of seconds. Well, I'm going to stop the video here. I'm going to make myself a very quick sandwich after I do my brake check, and then we'll head down with the chains on and have to figure out where to take the chains off further down. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys either later or tomorrow. Likely tomorrow, because this might be a very short day of actual drive time.